Don't listen to other people trying to tell you, oh, I think it's this, oh, I think it's that, oh, I think it's this. Look at it. I'm so happy I did that trim. A good trim will save your hair's life. Not about the setback, it's about the get back. And we're getting back. My hair is full. It's Hey YouTube, it's Kharyzma, and today is Sunday, July 3rd, and I'm just giving you a hair update. For those of you who don't know, I had suffered chlorine damage in the beginning of this year. Please refer to my videos. I will leave them in the description, links to my videos in the description. But long story short, I started to swim every day. I'm learning how to swim, and my hair was being exposed to chlorine every day. Even though I had on a regular swim cap, it still didn't prevent my hair from getting wet. Once I determined that my hair started thinning at the ends due to the chlorine, immediately I stopped exposing my hair to the chlorine and I started cutting off the damaged ends gradually. So everything will be in the video because I don't want to take up too much time re-explaining everything. So I've been keeping updates. My last update video was May of this year, I think it was, or either the April of this year, where I cut off my ends. My plan was to gradually cut off my ends until, I started to see, my hair thicken up again. So basically it was like going through a transition. Like if your hair was transitioning from relaxed to natural, you're gradually cutting off the ends as the new growth is coming in. So this is just another update. So from the time that I noticed the damage, which was January of this year, 2022, it is now July. So 6 months have gone by, and I remember in my last video, my update video, I said that July would be the date that I've given myself to see like some, real progress. And then I knew that, from now, from July now until next year, 2023, that's when I'm gonna see the thickening and the length. Right now, you're not gonna see too much length, but you will see fuller hair because, again, I've been gradually cutting off the ends and allowing my new growth to come in. And the last time that I did cut my ends was May, so I have not cut it since then. My hair has been doing well, so I will do a little trim soon. So let me show you my hair's progress section by section, because when I did it in the video, I have documented everything from the beginning. So go back to my videos in January where I show you the damage, and then look at my update videos where I show you, gradually how it's improving. So this is my July 2022 update. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the right side, which is where most of the damage was, and I just finished blow drying my hair, and and I blow dried it on a low heat setting. So already, you guys, you see, let me do the lower half. I'm getting excited because I made so much progress. I'm just so excited. Okay, so this is the right side in the front, and you can see the ends here. Let me try to let you see it. I want you to get a real view of my ends. So there's still a little bit of thinning here, like here. But for the most part, guys, I'll try to see if I can put in a before after, if I can find the pictures. I'm not promising, hopefully I can, but this is what this video is for. So yeah, this is the front part of my hair, and excuse me, this is the top part. This was the most heavily damaged part. Like the thinning was really, really bad, but as you can see here, there's still some thinning here. Let's see. There. And then this is another section, or you could just see, and all my hair is not the same length because I had cut off, different lengths in different parts. So this is really part of my crown section. It kind of creeped in there, but we're looking at the ends. much better. There's still some that can be cut off, but again, I'm cutting them off gradually, the damaged ends. But guys, as you can see, you're looking at my hair and you see the ends. That's what I want you to pay attention to. Like before, in the previous videos, when I was showing you the ends, this part, it was so see-through, it was ridiculous. So I think in May, I just got so upset and just was cutting. I had that video up. So this is my right side. This is the right side of my hair. I am so happy that it is getting fuller. Again, you're not gonna see the length just yet because again, as my hair is growing, I'm cutting. So we're not gonna see length yet. We're really gonna see length next year, 2022, because by then 6 more months would have gone by. That should be 3 more inches. But again, I'm still gradually cutting. So patience, guys, patience is key. I'll try to do a separate video on what I've been using more recently, but let me get through showing you the different parts of my hair. Now the left side was not as bad as the right side. So as you see here, it's full. You don't see those damaged ends. I mean, look, let me see. I'll take this in little sections so you can see. Yeah, guys, you see what you're looking for, because in my other video, it was so, like you would see dark, and then when you get to the ends, it would be so sparse. So if you see sparseness, it's really not a lot, but it's full from root to tip almost. And you see right here, yeah, look, these ends here, they could use a little bit of, like I could cut off here so it could be like really full, but yeah. Let me break this section up so you can see it. Yep. Guys, I'm so happy. Look at that. Look at that. I'm excited. So let me show you my crown area. I cut off a lot of my crown area because it was really thinning out again. Like I've had so many different, I'm trying to scoot down so you can see, but this is my crown. You see that? And now pay attention to those ends. Okay? Like, it is full from root to tip. And that's what, you know, that's what I was going for. Yep, let me show you. Like, okay, so now the back parts of my hair, those were the most healthiest. They suffered the least amount of damage, so they're still pretty full. As you can see, this is the left back part of my hair. There goes the ends, and my hair is not fully straightened. It's just blow dried, lightly blow dried on like a warm setting, not hot, not cool. It was like the middle setting, but yeah, guys, look at that. And when I cut my crown and my edges, like I had cut off all this too, but it wasn't too much damage from that. That's my back, left side. So here's my back, right side. And again, the back parts were not that damaged at all, as you can see. Look at that, guys, it's full. It is full, look at my ends. So yeah, that is my July, like it's June. That is my July 2022 hair update. So, and I quickly wanted to just show you my hair out, just so you can see what it's looking like loose. There might be a line down the middle because that's usually how I part, but this is my crown area. These are the 2 sections in the back. And these are my sides. So when you see, my hair is looking full. So the length will come. It will come. That is my hair, guys. I'm so excited. Look at it. I'm so happy I did that trim. A good trim will save your hair's life. Don't hold on to those ends because they won't help you at all. Look at that. And I'm gonna bring back my crown area series because I do have a series on crown area repair, and I've just been so caught up with all the other videos that I've been doing for you guys, and of course this setback that happened. But look at that, it's not about the setback, it's about the get back, and we're getting back. My hair is full, it's growing. So don't listen to people. When you know your hair and you know what damaged your hair, you're in tune with your hair. Don't listen to other people trying to tell you, oh, I think it's this, oh, I think it's that, oh, I think it's this. Yes, those things may be true for them because that's what happened to them, but you know your hair best. And yeah, so I'm just so excited. Guys, things are working out. It's growing really well. I'm probably gonna do a slight trim after this, just a little dusting, you know, because I needed to have enough hair to be able to put in ponytails, to be able to braid, to put in low buns. That's why I didn't do a big chop, and it really wasn't necessary. So if any of you guys have questions, if any of you have suffered damage to your hair from chlorine, please let me know. Again, I was swimming, and I still do swim about five days out of the week, so my hair was being exposed to chlorine. If you want to know how I eliminated chlorine from my hair, I have a video on how to protect your hair from chlorine when swimming. It's a way that I layer my swim caps so that my hair does not get wet at all. My hair comes out completely dry, and I'm so grateful. Some of the products that I've been using recently are Apogee. They have helped. The shampoo for damaged hair and the 2-minute reconstructor. I have a link to my Amazon affiliate if you want to purchase these. This is what I've been using. I know I did another video that showed you all of the products that I purchased to use, but I've really been sticking with Apogee, and you know, as my hair improves, then I'll branch out to other things. I just want to make sure I know what's working, so I decided to stick to like one shampoo and conditioner, and then I do like different deep conditioners, but I'll do a separate video for that. I've been using my Vatika oil on and off, and I've been using my Sunny Isle oil, which is really good. And sometimes I use my own oil as well. I do have my own oil that I use. Is basically Jamaican black castor oil with a lot of other things that I like, that my hair likes, but I'll talk about that in a separate video. I've been using also the Jamaican black castor oil pure butter. My hair loves Sunny Isle products. My hair loves Jamaican black castor oil. So those are the basic things that I've been using, but I've been really faithful with my Apogee products. A couple of other Apogee products that I have as well. I've been faithful with using this Apogee Keratin Green Tea Reconstructor after I wash my hair. So I will do a separate video on the things that I've been using, just to, you know, let you guys see everything separately. But thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get all of my uploads. Check out my Etsy shop, etsy.com/shop/Kharyzma for you, where I sell satin bonnets, head wraps, all of those things for natural hair to keep your hair moisturized and protected. Etsy.com/shop/Kharyzma for you. Follow me on Instagram. All of my info will be in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all. Bye.